Hello, and welcome, curious minds. Today, we embark on an intellectual journey through the realm of storytelling, exploring the artistry of surprise in narrative composition. Our focus will be the intriguing methods of incorporating surprise, both as a theme and a delightful twist that captivates the imagination and deepens the narrative experience. In the realm of narrative, surprise is an invaluable tool. There are two distinct forms of surprise that elevate a story: thematic surprises and ending twists. A thematic surprise is a central, unexpected theme that subtly guides the plot and only becomes apparent after the midpoint of the story. This thematic element serves as a narrative backbone, often succinctly capturing the essence of the story in a single potent sentence. On the other hand, the surprise at the ending is a masterstroke of narrative. It is not simply an unexpected conclusion, but a calculated revelation that aligns with the thematic structure, ensuring it does not derail the narrative's core message. This surprise integrates seamlessly into the fabric of the story, maintaining its integrity while offering a reflective moment of astonishment. Thematic surprises can be seen as the soul of a story. These are artfully layered within the plot, only gradually revealing the true depth and complexity of the narrative. Such surprises might involve character revelations, philosophical insights, or a recontextualization of events that inspire introspection. The beauty of a thematic surprise is its ability to make the storyline resonate on a deeper, more personal level. Now, let's delve into the concept of surprise at the ending. Unlike a surprise ending, which can feel abrupt or disjointed, a surprise at the ending complements the existing arc. It is a cleverly concealed element throughout the story that, when unveiled, sheds new light on the narrative. This requires precision in composition to ensure that the surprise feels both earned and intellectually satisfying. Imagine reading a novel or watching a film only to find that the last few pages or minutes redefine everything you thought you knew. This is the power of a well-executed surprise at the ending. It ensures that, rather than leaving the audience bewildered, they are left with a sense of fulfillment and wonder. Central to this narrative technique are the surprising reversals, turns in the storyline that subvert expectations in a meaningful way. Like thematic surprises, these reversals organically stem from the nature of the story itself, avoiding any semblance of arbitrariness. They challenge the audience's assumptions and encourage a re-evaluation of the plot's direction and characters' motivations. Reversals must be carefully integrated, serving as pivotal moments that propel the narrative forward. They not only maintain the audience's interest, but also enrich the story by adding layers of complexity and intrigue. When crafting a narrative, the confluence of thematic surprises, ending revelations, and reversals creates a tapestry of rich storytelling. Each element must serve the narrative goal, providing coherence and enhancing the overarching story without detracting from the intended philosophical exploration. An excellent narrative does not rely solely on surprise for impact. Rather, it uses surprise to reveal greater truths within the human experience. The aim is not solely to excite, but to engage the intellect and emotions in a dance of understanding and reflection. As we conclude our exploration of surprise in storytelling, remember that the ultimate goal is crafting narratives that linger in the minds and hearts of audiences. Whether through unexpected themes or revelatory endings, these techniques enrich storytelling, elevating it from mere entertainment to profound engagement. In the art of storytelling, let surprise be your ally and philosophy your guide. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and may your narratives be ever enriched with thought-provoking surprises. The links in the end screen are to a couple of short stories written using the surprise method. The author uses historical fiction to convey deep philosophical truths in the social reality of fiction. You may find them unusual because they convey very powerful ideas.